welcome everyone. Welcome to HC Shaves. So today is not a shaving video, it's an unboxing video, hence the name in the title and the thumbnail. So, what are we having? First of all, some very cold Danish water with ice cubes in it. Cheers everyone. Just got home from work and this was waiting for me. So this is the first box. This is my slim adjustable. Let's have a look at it. I've sent it for one of my friends, shaving buddies, for a tune-up, and he fixed it. It's Rune Yarns, and Rune is the one who's incredible craftsman and artisan in making lather bowls. He is the one who made this extremely beautiful lather bowl. Sort of a signature thing that I use. Incredible lather that it creates. He also makes brush handles. This is ceramic. Logo at the bottom. And he has put in a synthetic knot for me, but he also can put in silver tips and whatnot. And he also has some wood handles that he creates. Very good craftsmanship. I'll put a link to his shop in the bottom. You could also contact him if you want something special made, as I'm aware. Great products. So, he made it work, and thanks, Rune. That's an incredible feat you had there. Now, Rune did say that I shouldn't worry if, he thought my slim adjustable was exquisite condition plate, conditioning wise. It looks almost like new. He texted me and said, "Has this been replated?" I said, "No, it's original." And then he replied, "When I send it back, you shouldn't worry too much if the plate is the plating seems off, and that the date code has somehow changed. You shouldn't worry about that. Just don't bother, I know that was a joke, obviously. So, I'm just with a pair of scissors trying to get it open. So let's see, Rune, if you did exchange it. Seems like it's right here. And then I actually bought another razor, but I'll get to that. This is the one I sent it in with some cotton, and he has put some paper on it. It's in here. And the problem with this was that it didn't adjust. One of the sides here didn't quite adjust at all. It stayed put, like on setting 9, it would, if I turned it down on 5, only one side would go on the setting 5 and the other one would kind of stay on setting 9. Or at very least a very aggressive setting. But he has made it work, and seems just as beautiful as when I got it. Seems to work beautifully now, and it adjusts. And I do remember which side, because the side that did not adjust seemed a bit banged up. And it adjusts now. Thank you, Rune, for taking good care of it and for fixing my issue with it. I'm beyond words. I'm very, very happy. Thank you. So, I also bought something, and he tossed something extra in. So it's just wrapped in these sort of paper scissors. I don't know which is which, but I can kind of guess. This one. And I looked at it, and I actually thought of my father. Not my real father, but the one who raised me. Yes, that one. I thought about him because I remember him when I was very, very little, shaving with this. And my dad he was really my grandfather on my father's side, but my biological parents weren't very good at, taking care of the children. So here we have it. I saw him use this once. There's no cap on this one. Very nice condition. It still seemed white. And as many others, it's had sort of a crack right there. It works perfectly. I do have a super slim adjustable, and this seemed actually more, you know, the handle is thicker, and it reminded me of him. Thanks for the purchase of this, Rune. It's a very nice razor. And it sits nicely in here. I think I'm gonna get it a new home. A new case. I'm gonna build out one out of wood. Now the other one is a clone. Let's see if I can get this open. It is a British clone of a, you'll get to see it in a minute. And there's absolutely no telling any difference. Oh, well there is. It's a clone. It simply says here, British made. I don't know if you won't be able to see that. It says here, British made, of a super slim twist. Now this is just the regular slim twist, and I have the super slim twist, but now I have a British clone of it as well. And it seems more hefty built somehow. Opens up. Some rust here, but that shouldn't be any issues at all. And it seems heavier, actually. And the handle seems more substantial somehow. We'll give it, whoa, I'll almost try. I'll give this a test drive one day. Alright, that was one box. Let's get this out of the way. Are you ready for the second? Soul. It's of Soul Brothers, Soul Objects from Germany. And I am very much looking forward to this. How do I get it? How do I get it somewhere I can't? Over here, perhaps. Yeah, as you can say, I didn't practice this like at all. Just saw it and I went for it, and now I'm trying to being the word, open it. There you go. Alright, so Soul Objects is a store from Germany. I was very sad that I couldn't get a lot of products, and I had to import from the US, but stupidly enough, I never actually thought, why not buy it within the European Union, you know? Alright, this is nice. A card. I won't go about trying to pronounce it, but I think it's German, and I'm about very good at that. But they did, though, write handwritten a message in English. Somehow they hello Hans, thank you for ordering with Soul Objects. Greatly appreciated. Sorry for the delay. Oh wait. That was Santa's fault. All right. Soulful greetings from Oliver. So thank you very much for the notes. I very much appreciate it. I didn't notice that it was late, but thank you anyway. Santa's fault, yeah, Christmas times and whatnot. Again, I think a sort of a flyer for something that you could buy from Soul Objects, but it's in German, and I really need to focus in order to read that. I do know a bit of German, but I'm very rusty. And here's a different card. It's not open, so that's something that you can write yourself, I believe. Also, I think these are the same kind of markings. Yeah. All right. Now, I do know that you can get this in the States from the wet shaving store. So I'm going to put a link for these, not all of the products, but just a link to one of them, and you can just browse around at wet shaving store. Great. You also get a personal written notes when you order from here. Great place. They ship very, very quickly. And I am also an affiliated sort of shaver, or what you could say, of the products. And if you happen to go and buy some of it, of their stuff, you can type in HC109 just as an affiliated code. I'm sorry to say it won't do much, but it will support the channel. So I would very much appreciate if you did that. I'll just put a link in the description and also type it here. So I ordered another original cube, mentholated. If you haven't tried the cube as a pre-shaver or as a soap, this is absolutely fantastic. It's very heavy. I'm not quite sure how many. It's 8 ounces of soap, of pre-shave soap, and you can shave with it just as a shelf, as by its own. Sorry, great product. Very recommendable this. Now, I got a pack of 3 braids. Bolzano Superiornix. No, Superior. Oh, sorry, I don't know. I apologize to anyone who I may have offended now. That was completely unintentional. Bolzano Superinox. I don't know how this is pronounced, obviously. But I'm going to try them out. It's going to be good fun. Now, the soap that I did order. Phoenix Artisan Christmas Cold Spices. Oh, yeah, with this, yeah. Always wanted to try this. The Cold Spice, or Old Spice, is a fragrance that I do love. And I'm very much looking forward to trying this out. What I also got, if we can get it open, that is, what is said now? Come on, baby, open up to me. I'll be looking out for you. And there it is, the aftershave. I am so much looking forward to this and trying these products out. It's going to be, it is, and I think that's it, by the way. Yeah. Woohoo! So yeah, obviously expensive products. This, especially in the Union here, European Union. So that was it. That was the unboxing videos. Razors, blades, pre-shave, soap, aftershave, everything. I'm just happy if you wanted to watch it with me, and I'm very much happy if you want to subscribe to my channel. Have a look around at the other videos. You know, maybe there's something you think is funny or you can use somehow. So, the cubes have melted. Bottoms up. Have a very nice Wednesday, everyone. Stay safe, and I'll see you at Saturday for a weekend shave. Goodbye.